Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, you will learn about memberships tab in our CRM. I will show you how to create products or courses and learn about different features and functionalities of memberships. So first off, make sure you are in the sub account level of the CRM and then navigate to the memberships tab. So the first page we get is the dashboard of your courses. It provides an overview of your courses. Here you can view the opt-ins in last 30 days, members, sales, and checkouts. Next we have the products tab. A product is a course made up of categories and posts that lives in your membership area. So this is the main place where you actually create your whole course. And if I click on this manage comments button, you can manage comments for a selected product or all of your products through here. Let's go back to the main products tab page. Hover over the create products button and here you can see two options, start from scratch and import from Kajabi. You can either start from scratch or you can also import from Kajabi. In case you don't know what is Kajabi, Kajabi is a platform for creators to create, market and sell digital content. We will choose the start from scratch option. Now, as you can see, we have four different options to choose from. Sprint course, marathon course, membership, and build your own. Click Start Building to create from one of those templates. Let's name it Membership Demo and then click on Create Product button. So this is the structure of our product. We have categories and inside the categories we have lessons or posts. With this preview button, you can view your product on your training portal. You can also clone, share, or delete your product through here. Now, to create a new category, click on this tiny icon right next to product structure and then click on create category. Enter the title for your category, let's say ABC, and then click on save. As you can see that our new category appeared at the bottom. Now you can add lessons or subcategory or even add an assessment to this category with these buttons. Now you can make this category published, draft, logged, and you can also put it in drip mode with this drop down. To edit details of a category, click on its name. Here you can change the title for your category, add a description and change the visibility through here too. And you can also select an image for your category thumbnail and then click on save, and you can also delete the category from here. To edit a lesson, click on this pencil icon of any specific lesson. You can upload the video file here, edit the post details, visibility, and the post thumbnail. You can also add any additional files here, and once you are done, do not forget to click on Save button. Next, we have the Details tab. Here you can edit the product's information, its title, description, add a product thumbnail, and then under Customizations tab, you can edit the instructor's information, the logo image, and also the favicon image. And then lastly, under Advanced tab, you can add a custom CSS, JavaScript, or a tracking code. And once you are done setting up everything, click on the Save button. Up next is the Customize tab. Here you can choose a theme for your product. When you create a product, the default theme will be the classic theme. However, you may choose other options to match your digital product to your personal brand. You can apply a theme as it is, or you can customize a theme to your liking. Upon clicking the Customize button, it will take you to the customization builder. If you wish to customize a specific section of the page, click on the section in the sidebar editor on the left-hand side. Within the section, you can do customizations for different sections. And in the Layout tab, Under theme settings, you can do colors, logo placements, primary font and secondary font, etc. And similarly, you can do customizations for lesson as well. You can preview this theme through here, and once you are done setting up everything, click on the Save Theme button. Now we are in the Offers tab. It will show you the offers for this specific product, and then in the Comments tab for this product, and change the privacy for the comments with this drop down here. And then lastly, we have the Certificates tab. Wait for it. Okay. So now we are in the Certificates tab. Here you can see the certificates for this product. After you create a certificate in this certificates tab up here, and then attach that certificate with this product through here. Now let's move on and learn how to build and edit an offer in memberships. Navigate to courses, then offers. From here click on create offer. Give a title to this offer. Connect it with a product and then give it a price. Leave this with the toggle on live if you plan to collect real payments, and once you're done, click on create. Here you can edit the title if needed, add a description, and under advanced, in case you need to, you can add custom JavaScript. Make sure you have selected the proper product or products. On the section on the right, you can set this to draft or published, edit the price, if it's free, one-time payment or recurring subscription. And then lastly, we have the image option. You can add the image that will be displayed next to your course. And then once you're done, click on save. You can also preview your membership. Click the preview link to see how your offer would look like. If you want to share your page with others, click on the Get Link text to grab a copy of the URL. But please note that in preview mode, the track progress and mark as complete features won't work. Since you are viewing everything from a preview perspective, to test this, you will need to create a test contact, give yourself the offer, and access the membership as if you were a regular customer. You can also edit the checkout page through here. You have the settings for offer details. You can edit the title, and you can also add a banner image and its height, and also add a video, the poster image, the logo image, and also edit a checkout copy. And you can also add extra contact information. You can collect address and collect phone number in the at the checkout page. And lastly, in the service agreement settings, you have these three different options. You can look up for these yourself. And once you're done, click save. And now let's move back to the offers tab. So when you're done setting up your offers, you will save it in there and it will appear here. So you can also make it published from here and preview it from this eye icon and get the link for this offer through here also. And with this actions menu, you can edit, or you can also go to the edit checkout page through here also. Now let's move on to the next tab under our courses drop down menu, which is analytics tab. Okay, so analytics tab is pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I should waste much time on it. Let's just move on to the settings tab. Settings tab, we have these four different settings. We have site details, domain setup, email settings, and app settings. So first off, we have site details. So what is this for? It controls the branding and the SEO settings of your sites. So in site details, we have site info, branding, and builder settings. You can edit your site title and subdomain here, and under the advanced tab you can put the custom JavaScript, CSS or the tracking code. And in branding, logo for the brand, and you can also add a favicon image. And lastly, at the bottom we have the builder settings. You can choose to show download option for original video, and once you're done, click on save at the bottom. And let's move on to the next one. Now we have the domain setup. You can set up your custom domain on your membership sites. You can enter the domain you want to connect to here, and let's move on. So the next one is email settings. Okay, so you can send welcome email. You can select the default template or use one of your own. You can turn this feature on or off. And you can also send drip email, send them an email when a new category is available. You can use the default one or one made by you. You can also turn this on or off. And lastly, we have the send offer access email. You can send them an email when the offer access is provided. You can use a default template or use your own. Similarly, you can turn this on or off, and once you're done, click on save. And let's move back to the settings tab and look up for the last one, which is the app settings. Okay, so here you can edit the name of your app and give it a short name and a description. You can also add an app icon. You can also select the app colors. And yep, that's pretty much it for this one. So now that we are done with the settings, let me show you how you can add a chat widget to your membership section. So for that, navigate to sites, then chat widget. Here click on the get code button and copy the body code from here. Close it and go back to the memberships, then settings, and in the site info under advanced tab, paste the code that we copied in the footer code here, and then click on save. So in this way you can add a chat widget to your membership section. Okay, so next we have the communities tab, and under the communities we have the groups tab. So here you can also create a community group with this blue create group button. You can enter the details for your group here, and once you're done, click on the create group button. You have the branding settings and also the details for the group. And then lastly we have the certificates tab. Here you can create and issue certificates for your members. You can see the issued certificates in this tab. I do not have any data to show you yet. And you can create a new certificate with this plus new button. You can choose from a certificate template, or you can start from scratch with this blank certificate option. When I click this button, it will take me to the builder, and then you can make the customizations for your certificate there, and then you would be able to save that certificate and issue that certificate for your members. So that's all for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next video.